in the City.
Yeah, so we're called Country Kids in the City because we're country kids and we live on a giant farm, and it's just basically smack in the middle of a giant city.
So why we wanted to do a YouTube channel is because we got inspired by who? Chadwick Clay, Lee Gwynn, and More J. Stu. Yeah, like Chadwick Clay, Lee Gwynn, More J. Stu, Carter Scherer, Lizzie Scherer, Stove's Kitchen, all those guys.
Yeah, so right now we're gonna give you a tour of our whole backyard and our farm, and
so let's go.
guys, so we're out here in our backyard and we're gonna give you a tour of it. So alright, so if you come this way, we have our pool, and it's really cool because it has this giant rock slide and rock like you can see there's the sliding area, and then there's that like kind of like a diving area where you can jump off that little area up there, and there's stairs all the way up to the slide and everything.
And it's cool because they have like little designs on them, like turtles.
And I don't know if dolphins on the bottom. So we'll show you guys a clip from my birthday party where we're all jumping off onto one of our floaties.
I'm just videoing these crazy people.
There you go.
Whoa. There you go.
Oh! Alright, so, and then over here we have our turtle pin. This turtle, his name is Leo. So this is Tato's turtle, so you can tell him.
I got this from my birthday when I was like 6 or 7 at our old house, and he was at least like this big, and now he's like this big.
Here.
He is supposed to grow out to be a big, giant turtle.
And as you guys can see, we have our trampoline, and we have some sleeping mats on there because we're practicing backflips today. And over here in this pen is our pig and turtle.
There's our pig right there. Her name is Clarabelle. And then
Yeah, and then we have another really big desert tortoise. He's under his really big rock. Here he is. He is much bigger than our other one. His name is Watermelon, and he is a desert tortoise.
yeah, you think turtles are slow, but he's a really fast turtle. So now, Cash, you should show him a front flip on the trampoline. He knows how to do a front flip. Well, now let's show you our backyard. So Cash went to go get his farm shoes and some treats. Over here, we tried to plant
A fairy garden.
yeah. Well, we did plant it, but it's just way too hot for these flowers. So in the fall, we're gonna get some more of them, and we're gonna make another fairy garden.
So we have some snacks for our chickens and goats right here. So here, Tato, you can take a bag. I'll take a bag. And as you guys can see, if I take the gate, they also come running over. As soon as they see there's food,
They
so
love
here we
watermelon.
have like pineapple stems and stuff, and watermelon rinds. And they just love all sorts of this stuff. And we even have like half a pineapple right here. It's all frozen and gross, but
Look at that. That's Toast, and she, I guess, likes watermelon.
yeah, there's just this random pineapple piece. Here, I'll see if I can hand feed.
It's all frozen.
They really like it.
You want some?
They like chewing on the cold snacks. This thing right here, there's this little red thing in the grass. That was the seat to our zip line,
Right
but
there.
it broke off. We still have the zip line, but the rope ripped and the seat fell off. Actually, in the middle of me going down the zip line. So a few days ago, my cousin Ashton came over. Our cousin Ashton came over, and we shot a little clip of us going down the zip line. So we'll show you that right now. So I'm on top of this big, very wobbly ladder.
Yeah, it's very unstable, and me and Kaden are trying to hold it steady so it doesn't fall off.
All right, I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of the zip line. It goes very fast, so I have to drag my feet at the bottom. Let's just do this. So this one is Stormy. She is one of our 2 milk goats, Stormy and Totes. And so Stormy had 2 babies, and Totes had 3 babies. We named them Ringo, Georgie, and Lennon. Yeah. And then right there is our rooster. We call him Fabio because
He stands out.
A few weeks ago, we installed these misting systems back here because it gets probably over 100. The hottest we've got is probably like over 100 degrees out here still. So you guys just heard that crow. That's our little baby rooster right there, that black one. And so right here is our chicken.
It's our chicken pen. So, there's actually another side onto it, and it's hooked up.
So yeah, we have like a small red one that we had when we moved in here. And then we actually built this gray one ourselves. And there's, I don't know if you guys can see over there, but there's 2 eggs down there. A few chickens probably already came at night. And then these giant PVC things, those are their food. And it looks like they're running low, so we'll probably have to fill them up again today.
Oh, and this is where a pole where they like sleep on sometimes. And this is where they climb up to go to the other chicken pen over there that we are going to show you guys right now.
So here's our other chicken pen, and there's more of those bars in here that they lay on during the night. That's where they sleep. A couple of them sleep on top of these chicken coops. And over here, there's this little box built out, and it's laying nest. There's no eggs in there right now, but yeah. All right, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and watch out because there's gonna be we're probably gonna be coming out with a new video about how
We milk our
to milk the goats and stuff.
So make sure to subscribe, like, and share, and hit the bell.
And we'll see you on the next video.
Bye.